What up, boys? We're back. Crankshaft assembly is in. The old crankshaft is out. Everything matched up according to measurements. Everything looked good. The casing on the bearings, all seems okay. The casing on the other side of these bearings all seemed okay. I put a little bit of Zoom oil on the crankshaft piston connection bolt, and I tightened that all down. This has a little play. Is that normal? That little play on the piston? I got the camshaft lined up, the timing. Now I need to find top dead center to do the valve lashings. So if I find top dead center, I'll be able to do the valve lashings. Lap the flywheel, pull start exhaust, and we should be good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. We'll be back.